Hi, this is Epic Ride Weather, the app that you can use to have more fun on the bike. It works by connecting to your routes on Strava or any other service. Today, I'm going to choose one of my favorites. You pick the route and the start time, and you'll get a forecast for the duration of your ride based on your pace. Here I can see that it will get cooler throughout the ride, and it looks like I'm going to get really wet. So let's go back and choose the best time to ride based on the weather forecast. It looks like if I leave earlier, I can avoid the rain. Let's see what happens if I leave at 7. Now I can see that it will warm up throughout the ride, and there's no chance of rain. The winds are moderate, but mid-ride I'm going to get headwinds that are a little stronger. Based on this, I can pick just the right kit, plan to optimize the tailwinds, and ride in the best weather. You can find Epic Ride Weather on the App Store and Google Play.